These my dollars make it hurt.
What is up, my good people? We are just starting out in the middle of a trade. We see this market has been going down, so we're just going for a continuation, and that'll be the trade for us. I want to see how far this can go. The market has just been running to lows. If we zoom out on a 4-hour time frame, we are actually hitting lows that we called out earlier this week. I said the market can come down to this red line that I drew out, and lo and behold, that is where we are heading right now. So it would be nice if we can just go there straight right now, but we know the market doesn't work like that. But we are going to draw some spots that we can, possibly aim for some take profits. And we have this over here. We have the next line under it, and that's around 236, or what is this, 236 right there. Then below it, we also have 198. So, and this liquidity right here is resting right inside of a fair value gap, a 4-hour fair value gap. So I'm going to draw that out as well. So I'm going to see price come back up a little bit. Let's drop back into our time frame, but let's make sure we drew off everything correctly. It's a little messy, but we should have this fair value gap here kind of being disrespected. We should also have the one that we're currently in being disrespected as well. There's one right here on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if we could make that a little bit smaller. So on the 1 hour, let's see if we could make this smaller. Just the tad. Oh, that's the wrong one. I'm already past all of this, so don't really need that right now anyways. So we come back down here. Let's see, price is coming right into the middle of this zone. Let's see, so on the 4-hour, it was a fair value gap. Is it also one on the 1 hour? Okay, we could see a little bit of something here. 1 hour gap. See, price is just in the middle of it. It looks like it's trying to find some respect, possibly, but it's also trying to break through it. So I'm gonna watch how that plays out. Be nice to just get a nice push past this area. We have a target down here, at least a possible one, possible target there. So we're just watching to see if any displacement comes into the market. We're on the 60, but let's see what the 1 minute tells us, what's happening on a smaller time frame basis. Sometimes I don't like coming down to these when it looks so much clearer on the high time frames. On the small time frame, we also get that price is pushing downwards. So we like that. Okay. like that. And the trail stops over here. The wick of this candle shouldn't be taken out idealistically, but we'll see. Now let's go back onto the 4 hour, looking at some targets. We have something to aim for down here. Again, the end of this 4 hour for value gap is right over here. I'm thinking price could possibly push back up once we get to this area. This is 1930. What is this? Right above this fair value gap. Low right here. Might get some resistance around there. Or some support. See a little bit of a strong pullback up here. Thinking it should just be a retracement. Ideally, I would love for price to have made this order block right here and then reject it and then continue downwards. That would be ideal. We're coming towards the bottom of this gap, so I guess we're seeing a little bit of stability come through. Don't want to see it push past right here. And we are. Want to see a rejection come off of this wick right here. Oof, don't like that, don't like that.
Stop filled.
Okay, it's all good, we'll take that. And of course it wants to start to reject again. Don't you just
Order
love
submitted.
it? Don't you just love it?
Order submitted.
Wonderful. It just takes me out of my trade just to be like, hey, we know what you were doing, we know you were trying to make money. No, stop that. So we'll try and get back in here, and we'll see if this is a good spot to enter. I'm thinking price was trying to take out some of these highs. We had somewhat of a order block right here that we're in. Strong rejection right here. Kind of dojing out. Had a little bit of displacement to the buy side, so we left a fair value gap right here on the 1 minute. So it'll be interesting to see what price does around here. Oh,
Stop
push down
filled.
to dip and find support into that fair value gap and then reverses the other way. I didn't like that right there. And yeah, we had a decent amount of profits on the table, so we just decided to take it. Yeah, we're seeing some signs of a reversal. We have a change of character right here, a fair value gap, a buy program beginning over here. We took out some highs but we are not taking out any lows. We'll see what happens once we get up to these highs that are formed. If we just blast past them, then we might be looking for a change in cycle, at least for a little bit. We might have a change of delivery, but yeah, if not, if we reject around here, then we might still be going to the sell side. Okay, let's try and see what happens in this candlestick. Maybe by candlestick closure in 20 seconds we might know a little bit more. Okay, strong rejection right there. I like
Order
to see
submitted.
that,
Order submitted.
but maybe that was still too early, because yeah, we had a decent rejection, but I guess we'll see, right? See what happens around this area again.
Stop
Okay, it
fill.
looks like we're kind of just ranging, and then once we get down to this spot, we kind of, stop out right there. Okay, we can play that a little bit, but yeah, we know that won't last forever, this consolidation. Okay, so we just took another scalp off of the top of right here. Unfortunately, it was just so quick I wasn't able to record it, but I took my take profit right here. I trailed my stop, to right here, and look at that, price is breaking through that gap now. Yeah, ooh, it's all good. Okay, I guess it's coming back to where we took our profit at anyways. Lots of choppiness right now coming in. We're just watching this, but yeah, that move was another like $200 or so, just there, simply from up here to down here. So we'll take that as well, and we'll just continue to observe right here. Lots of volatility coming in here. Okay, we're gonna try this one out. Maybe we'll be able to catch a little bit of momentum to the downside. Don't like that. We're finding a little bit of stability here in this fair value gap. We haven't really closed above this gap though in some time, so we're going to use that to give us a little bit of confidence. My limit is blocking the time on this candlestick. Okay, so we got 6 seconds till this closes. We like that there's rejection here, and we closed below this, so those are good signs. Don't like this right here. We created some lows down over here, and we're not really pushing past it. Kind of finding some stability. I do want to be patient here. Just need to see some of these lows here go and get ran through. Price is fighting here though. I'm gonna take some of this. Yeah, we'll take that. I'll take that. A nice little move. Yeah, I'm pretty happy I got out of that trade. Yeah, we probably would have been stopped out anyways. We'll just keep on observing. All right, I think we're calling it quits here today, boys. It has been quite a day, and we got some good movements out of the market. I think I am going to move on and do other things. Don't want to spend my whole day just trading and staring at the charts. So I will call it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you got a lot out of it. I hope you saw different pieces on different subjects, order blocks, fair value gaps, seeing how you could use them live in the markets. And I hope this does wonders for all of your trading. So with that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.